Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll learn how to edit resources on the timeline with FlexClip. Add an image to the timeline, then you can split it into two scenes and duplicate or delete it with one click. Right-click on this scene, and you can export one favorite frame as a JPG image. The difference between the video scene and the image scene is that you can trim to pick a suitable video clip. Besides, right-click the video scene, and you can choose to freeze a frame, reverse this video, and detach audio from it. Add audio to the timeline. You can adjust the volume, apply a fade-in and fade-out effect, split it into two clips, or trim it to pick one part of it. Locate a scene, click the audio track, and click the link button to simultaneously move the scene with the audio. Dragging the border of the scene can adjust its duration with ease. Click the element on the canvas, and you can move this track on the timeline or adjust its duration by dragging. Click the timeline button. Click one track, press Shift or Control and select other tracks, then you can customize them together. Dragging the top line can zoom in on the timeline window. Back to the timeline, press Shift to select all scenes, click the duration button and enter a number, and press Enter. Then, all scenes will be the same duration. Click the icon between two scenes, and you can apply a transition effect. On the top right corner of the timeline, you can click the minus or plus sign, drag the slider, or click the Fit button to zoom in or out on the timeline and view scenes more clearly. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.